So yeah, this car has 4 mufflers and I just cut off the back 2. I was gonna just try to take them off at this point, but that didn't go very well. Yep, about 80 pounds worth of mufflers. This car's 3,800 pounds. I need all the weight reduction I can get. And I need a Lexus badge. Came like that. Yeah, there's a good 5 inches of pipe coming out of the muffler, so hopefully they have enough pipe to work with to make you know, dual pipes. I'm gonna have dual exhaust tips coming back here. I just wanted to do this for now. Wow, that sounds good. The thing is, it's still quiet. I mean, it's not overwhelmingly loud. Hopefully I'll have a little more sound when I add the pipe. Huh. It's pretty cool. $11 Harbor Freight grinder. You know, it's still kind of too quiet. I think I'm just gonna go with some MagnaFlows and pipes behind it, but it usually gets louder if you get pipe behind it, enough pipe all the way to the end, Drop some weight though.